Hey, it's Brent with another question from a reader. It says, Brent, I'm a guy who has a lot of cool hobbies, has some interesting views, and have a lot going on for me right now, but I'm still a virgin. And I'd like to lose it because as soon as women find out that about me, it turns them off. I have a social circle, but none of my guy friends ever introduced me to their female friends, and I've asked them casually that I'd like to meet them sometime. It seems like a catch-22, and it causes me severe depression, sometimes because I'm not experiencing human intimacy that is a natural need. Okay, so a couple things I have to say about this. Thanks for having the guts to write in about the fact that you're a virgin. Don't know how old you are, but either way, it's all good, and it's all going to work out for you. First of all, let me just tell you that intimacy with a woman is not a natural need, okay? And once you are really experienced at it, you will no longer care about it. You only care about it because you've never had it, okay? Let me just throw that out there. Now, don't get all crazy because I told you that. But it is not. It's something you can go your whole life without, and if you understand that you create the feeling, and the feeling is not created by the intimacy with the woman, but it is created as a mental state, your life will be extraordinary. But let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. Okay, so again, as I'm always going to tell you, first thing to do, change this story. You're probably getting tired of hearing me say this, but it is so true, and I wouldn't tell you if it wasn't always the starting place, okay? So you want to tell yourself that that when women find out that I'm a virgin, here's your story, right? When women find out I'm a virgin, they love it because they want to teach me everything they know, and they find it as a tremendous opportunity to be with a guy who hasn't been around, a guy who's fresh and moldable in the bedroom, and they love it because they can teach me what they like, and then I can do what they like, and they'll have the best time of their lives. You see how I'm making that exciting? The person who's making it unexciting is you. That's exactly why when you go out, okay, you were telling me here, when you go out, that when a woman finds out it's a turnoff, she's not turned off by you being a virgin. She's turned off by you being worried that you're a virgin, and that by you being turned off that you're a virgin, okay? So I hope you're getting this. You are the source of almost everything that happens to you, and how other people perceive you, and how other people treat you, and I want you to really take this to heart, and I want you to change your story to the one I just said, okay? I guarantee if you commit to that, okay, and you visualize that, and you get excited and emotional about it, and you do it every day, and you do it every time you're thinking negative, you do your story again, your life will start changing. Women will start actually propositioning you, and you'll feel very comfortable with them, right? And so you also want to tell yourself that that you're going to meet these women, they're going to be turned on by your inexperience for all the reasons that I mentioned earlier, and that they're going to want to lead you and teach you, and you're going to feel very comfortable with them, and it's all going to work out, and everything's going to be great. Okay? So that's very powerful right there. And I think if you did that, then you're not going to have to ask your friends to meet anyone. Women are going to be asking to meet you. Who is that guy? Who is that guy? He's the right guy. I'm so attracted to him. I don't know what it is, but there's a thing about him, right? Seriously, guys, that can be created. That all comes from you, okay? So create that. I don't think I need to say much more about this. You should start there, and then if you have some other issues, then email me again and send me another question. But I think that should, be great. I mean, look, being a virgin is the hottest thing about you. It's the most attractive thing about you. Every woman who finds out is like they want to run a lottery so that they can all figure out like who gets to be with you first. Okay? If you reframe it like that, my friend, your problem is going to be how can you have as much sex as you're being offered? Okay? That's it. Talk to you later.